Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by locating the Dado rail ends and any miters. This matters because rails can hide nails or adhesive. Score along the top and bottom seams with a sharp utility blade to cut paint and caulk. This prevents tearing the plaster. Remove switch plates or obstructions and lay a drop cloth to catch debris. Use painter's tape along the bottom edge to protect skirting. Once scored, test a small pull to see if the rail lifts. That tells you whether it's simply nailed or glued. Now you pry along the scored seam. Slide a wide putty knife behind the rail to act as a shim and protect the plaster. Then insert a thin pry bar behind the knife and work in 6 to 12-inch increments, tapping the bar lightly with a hammer to ease the rail free. Move along the length so pressure disperses. This prevents cracks. As sections loosen, use pliers to pull exposed nails and check for screws or adhesive spots so you can adjust force. With the rail off, clean remaining adhesive using a scraper and solvent compatible with your wall. Test in a hidden spot first. Remove nail shanks and flatten any protrusions. Fill nail holes and minor plaster damage with spackle or joint compound. Apply in thin layers, let dry, then sand smooth. Once patched, prime before repainting to match the wall. If you find larger cracks or delamination, stop and reinforce the plaster or consult.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.